Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, we'll be working with Cynosure hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 13x4 HD lace frontal wig unit. It is in body wave and 220 density, and it is in their deep wave texture. And I pretty much today used a wand curler for like the first time in years to curl my hair, and I love it. I didn't do a distinct part. What I did was just to pluck a part so it looks like I did part it, but I didn't. I just flipped it over and I did my part on the side I never usually do it on. So I just really was pulling out all the stops with trying new things today, and this wig is 100% glueless. I can take it off and put it back on whenever I want to, and I love that the bands in the back of this Cynosure wig is just really easy to adjust in order to make my wig the perfect fit, pretty nice and snug. And if you'd like to see how I did this super cute glueless install as well as these wand curls, just keep on watching. The links for this wig will be in the description box, and let's jump into today's tutorial. I'm really trying to just have the hair be like this freaking big. I think that's so cute. And the plucking I did with this Cynosure wig, and I bought a wand curler. We have a lot going on today, so let's jump into today's tutorial. I am gonna make it glueless. I'm not gonna do too much in regards to talking. I really like to just do my hair in silence. I watch YouTube videos, by the way, or sometimes I'll watch a show. It depends on like what I'm really watching on TV. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this lace off. Let me straighten the wig. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this lace off, do everything, and instead of wetting this gorgeous wavy hair down, I'm gonna do some wand curls in the front to like zhuzh it up without having to do that wet look. Like, we don't need to do that all the time, so let's try something new. Let's actually style some curly hair this time. So let's jump into today's tutorial.
I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and this gorgeous wig is from Cynosure Hair. It is their deep wave 220 density 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. And you guys, I just bought a wand curler. I have not wand curled my hair in forever and a day, so honestly I'm very proud of myself. Like, this is very cute, and I didn't want to just do the typical spray the hair down with water. Like, I thought about it, but I was just like, I never zhuzh up some deep wave hair, and this is definitely like what the purpose of deep wave hair is for, like doing these big bouncy curls, and they're gonna just last all day and be super full because of the texture of the hair. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and style some hair real quick, and I'm not mad at it. This is very, very, very cute. So thank you so much to Cynosure Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig and just pretty much inspiring me to do something just like way cute with this unit. So I'm in love with it, and if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit, the links will be in my description box for you to do so. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.